Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Apple Music not working. So if you're currently having problems with your Apple Music that it's not working and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So actually what I did myself was that I firstly closed my Apple Music app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. In here I just scrolled down and then I clicked on general. So as you can see, I'm currently on my general page right here on my iPhone. So in here, I just scrolled down again and I clicked on storage. So click on storage. And now we're just going to wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load in here. So we're just going to wait a couple of seconds. Now when it's done, just scroll up like this. As you can see, click on the search symbol in the top. Search for music as you can see and select this one right here. And on this page, just click on upload app and once again click on upload app. Just wait a couple of seconds and we can click once again. Sometimes you have to do it again and then click on the reinstall app button here. So just wait for your Apple Music app now to completely, as you can see, it's going to update now and it's going to update to the absolute latest version, which you need to be able to do to try to fix this bug that the app is not working. So basically I did this myself and then I went back when it was done updating. I went back into the app and now it worked for me. So I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.